Hello and welcome to Timegram's tutorial video series. Today we'll look at Timegram's Insights module. Let's get started. The Insights module is your performance reporting hub, where you get a consolidated view of all working patterns and productivity, allowing you to see your team's performance based on their daily highlights. It is divided into two sections, Timesheets and Analytics. Let's look at Timesheets first. These performance reports provide a complete snapshot of what specific employees have been up to during the selected time period. To see an employee's timesheet, open the Employee dropdown and select the user. Let's see what Sansa has been doing. Here, you can see all the user details in the system, along with their logged and unlogged hours, total working capacity, total days worked, and open and completed tasks. You can filter the projects and the tasks using the date range, if you're looking for either billable or non-billable projects. You can use these filters here, or you can filter the projects by client name. Clicking the task name shows you the activity logs, where you could see the highlights they have logged onto the task. You can see the timesheets breakdown by day and even know which apps and websites they have been using the most. That's it for timesheets. If you're hungry for more data, head over to the Analytics tab for team-wide performance. From productivity and work patterns to app and website usage, details to revenue and cost analysis, you get visibility across all your team operations. It's like having your own productivity detective. Let's take a peek at what insights you can get from each report. Productivity report. This report shows the total productive time your team has spent on completing projects and tasks, allowing you to see who are the rock stars, the average Joes, and the ones who are not pulling their weight. You can filter the report by team and even by individual members. You can find information about time spent on work by employees and by team as well, covering productivity from all activity report. Next up is the Employee Time and Activity Report. It shows a consolidated view of your team and what they are working on and achieved during the week, ensuring you are on track with your project and tasks. Here you can see performance details of each team member along with the time spent on by each employee, showing you exactly who is contributing how much to the projects. Apps and Websites Report. This report shows which apps and websites are utilized the most within your team, ensuring you are getting the most value out of them, especially the paid tools. You can filter this report by team, by individual team member to get more accurate results, and filter it further down by date. Revenue report and Rev breakdown report. Next up are the financial analysis reports, which include revenue and cost reports. The revenue report is critical for agencies, showing which type of projects generate the most revenue and which one bring in the least amount of. Here you can first see the revenue report, showing how many hours they have worked and how much revenue. It also shows the exact share through this pie chart along with how each team is performing in terms of revenue. You can also get revenue earned from different clients, showing which clients are the most valuable ones. It also has the standard filtering option like by team and date. The second part of this report displays the earnings of each employee per project. Simply select the team and team members and you can view the projects they are currently working on, along with the total revenue earned and cost incurred. Furthermore, you have the option to drill down into this report to see on which tasks your employee is generating more revenue. Click on the project name to access this detailed view. providing you with the complete visibility into how your employees are contributing to the bottom line. Cost report. The cost report provides insights into how much cost your company has incurred for utilizing various resources to complete projects. Here you can see a complete breakdown of how many hours each employee has worked and how much you have paid them for their effort. Exactly see who is the highest paid resource and their contribution to the bottom line. This report also has the standard filtering option like by team and date. Estimated time versus actual time report. Finally, the last and one of the most useful reports is the estimated time versus actual time report. It allows you to draw accurate comparison between the actual time spent on projects and your estimates. As soon as you open the report, you will see all the projects with their estimated logged time, along with their estimation accuracy and the difference between the estimated and actual time. With this information, you arm yourself with critical insights about making better and more accurate time estimates for future projects and set the course right for ongoing projects. You can further drill down and get estimated versus actual time for tasks, giving you a granular look at how accurate your estimates have been. So if you want to uncover your team's full potential without invading their privacy, why wait? Start using timegram for free now. That's it for the insights. Feel free to drop us a message on our chat or create a ticket, and our support team will respond to your queries as soon as possible.